Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to make this 2014 Sierra sound and perform a whole lot better. This 2014 Sierra behind me is a great looking truck, but it's a bit too quiet for our liking, so today we're going to make it breathe, perform, and sound better with this Borla Catback exhaust. This is Borla's S-Type dual split rear exit catback exhaust for your 2014-18 Silverado and Sierra with the 5.3 liter engine. It's designed to directly replace the factory exhaust with its mandrel bent 304 stainless steel tubing and high flow muffler. It features a 2 3/4 inch tube into the muffler, then dual 2 1/4 inch tailpipes with nice polished angle cut 4 inch tips. It comes with everything you need for the install, and it's going to help this truck to sound and breathe a whole lot better. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, we have the truck up in the air. The first thing we need to do is remove the factory exhaust. It's pretty simple. There's only one bolt that you need to touch. Okay, the only bolt that we actually have to touch to remove this exhaust is the clamp right here at the catalytic converter. Now this is a 13mm bolt, but ours is in pretty rusty condition. So keep in mind, if yours is in this condition or worse, you might even need to replace this. Once you get the clamp separated, all you have to do now is remove the exhaust from all the rubber hangers. We're going to release all the rubber hangers starting at the front, then work our way back. It will help if you lubricate these rubber hangers with some WD-40. It'll make it a lot easier to separate. Let it down nice and easy. We can now remove the exhaust. We're going to remove it from the rear of the truck going this way. It'll be a lot easier if you have two people doing this. If your factory clamp isn't broken, you can reuse it by lifting up on this tab right here and removing it. But we're getting a new clamp for ours since ours is broken. Okay, we can now install our Borla front pipe onto the catalytic converter. And slide our new clamp over and get the bracket into the rubber hanger. Install the larger clamp onto the front pipe, then the muffler. Then you can attach the brackets to the rubber hangers. Get the tailpipe into the muffler and then into the rubber hanger. On the driver's side of the truck near the spare tire, you'll see these two studs in the frame. You're going to remove the nut on the stud that's closer to the front of the truck. If the bolt starts to spin, you will need to hold it with a 21mm wrench. Install your Borla bracket with it facing towards the outside of the truck. Use the provided heat wrap and use this to protect the brake lines that go to the axle. Put it around the brake lines. Peel off the sticky backing. And then stick it to itself. Now they'll be protected from the hot exhaust. Place another clamp onto the muffler. Then install the over axle pipe. Slide that over the muffler. Install the provided rubber hanger onto the bracket that you just installed. Place a clamp onto your tailpipe and install it into the over axle pipe and the rubber hanger. Now we just need to go back and tighten all the clamps. Start with tightening the front clamp. Tighten the remaining clamps with a 15mm socket to 35 foot-pounds. Tighten the rest of the clamps All right, it's looking really good. Let's hop in the truck and see how it sounds. Okay, we got this Borla S-Type Catback exhaust installed in this 2014 Sierra. The dual polished hips really add a nice custom look to it, and now it finally has a great sound to match the look of the truck. Installing this exhaust is super easy. It probably shouldn't take you more than 2 hours to do it, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.